Good morning, guys. What up? We're gonna start in 9 minutes. I will see you all in 9 minutes. Get the questions in. I like to see the tickers in. Get the questions in. Anything you struggle with, the market recently, technicals, what you don't understand, any posts that I put, something about the Discord, what's different to the Discord to Twitter, all these questions, ask away. Things you're struggling with in your trading, ask. I'm here to help. Right? People pay thousands of dollars, join courses and all that stuff. I do this stuff for free, so it's not that you have to join the Discord. I do this because I know we have a lot of followers on Twitter. A lot of people are not able to afford the Discord, which is fine, and that is why I do this. So ask the questions that you don't understand in trading or just in general, and I will help. Otherwise, I'm assuming everyone's just making millions of dollars when they just request charts for me. Good morning to those who have just joined. Good evening, good afternoon, what up? Get the questions in, the tickers in. I will see you all in 6 minutes. Don't forget to like up the stream. It costs you $0 to do so. Market's going to be absolutely amazing today. Let's have a great day. See you in a bit. Good morning, guys. We will start in exactly 3 minutes. Like up the stream, get the questions in, tickers. I will see you very shortly. Peace. Good morning, guys. What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? 1 minute till we get started. Everybody like up the stream. Retweet the stream as well. Repost it. Let me repost it now. I will see you guys in 1 minute. Peace. Radio. Let's get started. Let's change the screen over. Perfect. We got everything. Today is going to be a great day. Market's going to be amazing. Everyone's going to make lots of money. Very proud of myself this week and some of the Discord members for being patient and disciplined this week. I have given 2 alerts this whole week. I've taken 2 intraday trades this whole week, or actually 3. And yeah, green. Just been very disciplined. It's boring wave trading. It sucks, but you know, just got to get past these couple days, week, whatever it is, and then market will reverse and get better. Radio, what up, Totes? King Totes, how you doing? Let me go through Twitter quickly, and then I will get to you guys. Let me catch up with all the stuff. Already in. See you soon. DJT. Haven't heard about that one in a while. DJT, what's cooking with this? This thing is terrible. Extremely bearish. DJT. Extremely bearish. Extremely bearish. That is no good. Bearish means downtrend. No good. No bueno. BTAI, GXAI did those too. OTLK. Guys, if you write in another language, I don't know anything else other than English, unfortunately. You're lucky because sometimes I'm able to translate the post so I can read it. Yeah, if you're going to write in another language, no point in messaging me. OTLK. Currently bearish. What up, guys? Afternoon. Good afternoon. It is evening here. It's 5:30 p.m. in Dubai. Crazy sandstorm earlier today when I was driving back from golf. Playing Druid Sandstorm and not a Tiger. That is so funny. Need CYCU. Yeah, CYCU. Everybody's watching this today. Let's go CYCU. Push, push, push. CYCU is trying to go. I do like CYCU today. 0.95 is your major resistance here. Look at this. Boom. BTAI. What's happening with BTAI? It's up a little bit. Yeah, BTAI, just wait for this 338 level. Then we can fill this wick at 364 and then you have $4. These are your next key levels on BTAI. Let's have a look and see what the news is. Phase trials, phase 2 trials, phase 1 trials. What? Oh, offering close. Offering close? Yeah. All right. Nothing crazy. ALLR. You still have to wait for $1 on ALLR. You are not taking a trade anywhere below. Still waiting for $1 break to enter the trade. Right, CYCO, boom, ALR, RGTI, let's have a look. Are they starting to reverse? Damn, still down. Just go to a larger time frame, guys. That'll be the best indication of looking what the stock's actually doing. There aren't any key levels. I don't want to really draw it because at the moment it's still in a downtrend. It's just difficult to understand what will happen unless needs downtrend break. I'll have a look at the larger caps and SPY and all of that once I get over with all these questions and everything. But guys, I also really appreciate when you guys like the posts. Like the Twitter posts. I know Twitter is pretty dead right now because the market's not great. Everyone's scared and thinks it's the end of the world and the market will never come back. But also just writing questions and interacting with the chat, it means a lot, right? Trying to build a good community here of everyone here, trying to teach you guys and make you all money, right? I do this YouTube because I enjoy teaching people and I like to make people money. I don't have to do this, right? I could stay just in the Discord and charge people money every time, but I don't do it. I do this as well for all my Twitter followers. Right, 147 is a big level to enter on ZVSA. I would not enter anywhere below. So 147 and below, not interested. All right. So mark 147, that's the high of the day. Breaks that, should continue to go to the upside. IVVD, didn't this run yesterday? 11%, it did. Right, let's have a look. Oh, it came straight back down yesterday. So IVVD, let's look. Let's do a top-down analysis. That means you start from a larger time frame, pushing or going down to a smaller time frame. So we have weekly, bearish, daily, also bearish. 4 hour is also bearish, but we are starting to push for a bullish trend because we've broken a resistance here. So this was a previous resistance like that, right? But if you look what's happened is that went like this. Now we're making a high high. Now we're making a high low. Or high low, high high, high low, hopefully to continue to go to the upside. Your major resistance, right? We could even draw the trend line here like this, something like this. We've broken above it and closed above, which is bullish. For me to consider an entry on this, I would just make it easy for myself. I would say above 130 would look good for entries because if you look left over 130, you have a next resistance. It's pretty much all the way up to here, like 160, 170 level. Yeah, 135, what is it? Yeah, 130 here. This 130 break looks good for entries. So what is this? IVVD, wait for 130 break. So that means the reason why this looks good if it breaks 130 is because we have a resistance here, right? This whole level, this all level here. Okay, not only that, is the high of day yesterday was 127. And if we break 127 high of yesterday, we should continue to go up and continue to the upside. Hollow was up a little bit pre-market. Yeah, like Hollow's above $1 here. Maybe it's pushing, but as I just did on IVVD, this one is still in a downtrend. Look, weekly we are bearish, right? Daily we are bearish, means we're in a downtrend. 4 hour we are still in a downtrend. If we can break this level here, right? I'll highlight it. This level here, this 127. Look, the next resistance is literally all the way up here to like 172. That does not mean when it breaks 127, you aim for one. You don't aim for this percentage, right? You're not buying it and holding for 35% move. When you enter the trade, for me, when I enter a trade, I aim for 5%, right? So if I enter the trade at 127, let's say 128, my target would be 135. That's it, right? If it keeps going up, I'll have maybe 10, 20% on my position, and I'll sell the rest when I'm happy. That's kind of the way I trade it, right? Let's keep the questions going. Let's keep the questions flowing. Get the tickers in. I know there's not as many people in here as normal. For those who just joined, as I say, when the market's dead and no one's really running and the market's not bullish, people think they're scared to invest and whatever. Fair enough. But yeah, that is why there is less people trading and things like that. But I respect it for those who are chilling for now, because I would be doing the same thing. Let's make some real money today. Don't get bad, get glad you took profit. That's right. Don't let a red trade or green trade go red. Thoughts on CYCU, got in at 78 cents but didn't get out when it topped to 86. Yeah, this market right now, the last week and this week, it's a scalper's market, so it means you get in and you get out very quickly. You do not want to let that green trade go red. For sure, you do not want to do it. I took Mullen was my only trade yesterday, and my broker screwed me on it, which was kind of annoying. But yeah, some members who were still in make good money. Yeah, CYCU, I like this play. It's very bullish. We are starting to push to the upside. Has volume 8% yesterday, 36% today. Got more news again today. Yeah, news, I'm not really interested. Like I said, I don't trade based on fundamentals. The news just gives me the volume and allows me to trade based on technicals. I don't care if this stock got bought out by the biggest company in the world or anything. For me, it means absolutely nothing. Yeah, I just trade on the charts and I look at what's happening there and I'll take my entries. But this is the news here. Awarded 3 multi-year contracts. Whether that's good or bad, obviously it's good news. But, you know, for me, I'm not going to invest in the stock because it tells me that got some contract. But yeah, if it closes above this 90 cents, looks good. I would wait for $1. I don't like trading something under $1. So yeah, you can just wait for that if you would like to. But yeah, CYCU looks good. Thoughts on CYCU, you got in at 78 cents. So this is the way I would be. If you're in 78 cents right now and you're up 15%, in my personal opinion, the way I trade something like this, I would be out at least 70% of my position, move my stop loss to my entry, or maybe just a little bit low. When it goes up, if it keeps going up to like 95 cents, scale out a little more, goes up to $1, scale out the rest, and so on. That's kind of how I do it. If it does pull back to your entry, you get stopped out, the remainder 30%. In my opinion, like I was talking about earlier, the best thing to do in this market, you've got to just take green now and move on. Don't expect plays to run crazy. The market isn't built for it in the last week or so. So we just got to adjust just a little bit. And that's kind of what you got to do, unfortunately. SLXN is running. It's pushing up finally. I know people have been banging on about the stock to me for a long time. But yeah, you need 163. It tried to run up there, failed here. Maybe it'll fail as well. But yeah, just watch 163. I'm assuming you've been waiting for that news. I'll have a look now and see what the news is, if you're curious or if you don't know what it is. Therapeutics, bank account models, pioneering, therapies. Cool, great. Yeah, these bio plays are all obviously very, very good or very, very bad, because if they fail their trials, these things go down like 30, 40, 50%. Even I've seen 70, 80%. But yeah, good news on this. Let's see if it continues to go to the upside. Big green candles, SLXN. Yes, 13 trades this week, only 1 small red. Wow, impressive, impressive. I've taken 2 green trades today. Well, 3, sorry. TRNR is bullish, expecting this to continue to go up. Yesterday got rocked. I thought this was going to be the runner, to be honest. But yeah, I like this play. I don't know what on earth happened yesterday. Like, look here. Yesterday, it ran up pre-market and then it just dumped. How much did it go down? Yeah, like 20% yesterday. So that is no good. I'm going to keep it on my watch list, up 4%. We'll have a look. All these players are up. ASTS, GRRR, they're all looking great. QBTS. Q stocks, how are the Q stocks looking? Q stocks are all still bearish. Personally, I would just follow RGTI. At the moment, this is still bearish. Yeah, it needs a downtrend break, to be honest. But these will reverse at some point. I just don't know when, to be honest. I need Trump to chill out a little bit. Yes, let's smash the like button. We got 70 people in here and we got 27 likes. Could be much, much better. Come on, guys. Hepper, this one was bearish the last time I saw it. Yeah, Hepper, nothing on this. Very bearish, still in the downtrend. Wouldn't trade something like that. AIFF, same one like this. Draw the trend. The trend is bearish. As you can see, for those who don't know what time frame this is, you can look at the top here. It's 4 hour, and here it's 4 hours. I'm using the 4 hour time frame. That is the time frame I use usually when I am charting these larger stock. Lower volume stocks, or just try to get a full indication of what's actually going in the stock. The majority of them are bearish for the ones that request. So I use the 4 hour to look at my key levels, and I go to the 5 minute to take my entry. 5 minute is not the best time frame. You can use whatever time frame you like. Just depends on what you've back tested and what works for you. RKLB needs to get above $20, and it's still in a downtrend, unfortunately. Let's even here so we can get a little. It's down. I would say it needs to reclaim $20, but RKLB needs $20 reclaim. That means the candle must close above $20 to look for a possible reversal. If it does, it's broken the downtrend, and there's a high probability it'll go up. OMI. Charts is looking bullish. Daily is looking all right. Has a gap fill. I don't know anything about this stock. Yeah, what was this? Monday? Is it 28th? But oh, 3rd, 4th. Yeah, I mean, it's bullish right now. It just needs to break this high to continue. So what we're doing is we're having higher highs and high lows. The higher high, higher low, higher high. It needs to stay above this low to make a higher high, and so on. So now what you need is, it can pull back a little bit. It just mustn't break below 890. CYCU. I like this play today. CYCU, nothing really yet. 95 cents is your next big level. Needs to close above 90 cents on this. I would say at least on the 1 hour would look good. But right now, just chill out on it. Nothing yet. NVNI, where is that one? I have it down. Yeah, NVNI is very bearish at the moment. I would only look for an entry above the high of day just because it's below VWAP, and it's also in a downtrend. Yeah, nothing yet, to be honest. So NVNI, still wait for that 0.39 break to enter. All right, you break above that, then you can take a trade. Just difficult right now. I don't know what will happen below. Load. LODE. LODE has very low volume. I personally would avoid this trade setup. It's difficult to trade something that has no volume. Yeah, load is currently bearish. Load currently bearish. SLXN flying. Yeah, SLXN looks great. Discord members, anyone use candlestick strategy on this? Congrats if you did. ONVO, low volume, and then we have to go to the 4 hour to find out what's going on. We can see we're in a downtrend. Go through this. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. I would use this here. Maybe a falling wedge, which is a bullish reversal pattern. Let me check what level this is at. What support? 0.53. It could be at a psychological support. Yeah, you could maybe try and look for entries if you want to, but when there's a lack of volume, it usually won't respect technicals. So this is a falling wedge, which is a bullish reversal pattern, and then you have a psychological support, which is another indication. ARBB, this one, let's see. ARBB, wait for $1, but I like this play today. Only interested above $1. Anything below, don't care. I think it's right of VWAP or just below. Yeah, just below. Buru former runner. Again, this thing's running. This thing drops news like every single day or what? Doesn't even have news that I can see yet. Yeah, Buru, you need this level here. What is this? 0.356. So you have 0.356. You have 0.356 as your Resistance level. I would wait for a candle body to close above that. You can use the 5 minute if you want, 1 hour, 2 second, whichever you like. So Buru needs 0.3560 break. But we'll keep an eye on it today. I'll just keep this on watch for Hassi. I know he likes to trade the stock a lot. Onvo, ARBB, Buru. What platform do you use to trade? I traded the local broker here in Dubai. Looking to put some money into IBKR and trade on that. But yeah, we'll see. Yeah, but if I was in the US or if I had the opportunity, I would definitely trade on this broker here, which is Webull. Webull. Starting next month, I will not be trading Webull, but I'll be using this platform still to chart. I won't be trading pre-market. Thank you. Tiger, I agree with your assessment of this market. Scalper chart. Yeah, it is. It's the best. I saw Fick. I saw you traded very well yesterday. I saw your 2 trades on you posted on the journal. Very nice job. ZVSA broke a little bit. Yeah, ZVSA, I saw that one. Did it come straight back down or was it up? Yeah, ZVSA, nothing. It's down 8% now. So just would leave it for now. Where's that SLXN? What was the news on SLXN? Someone asked about it. Here we go. Here you go. A lot of people are watching this SLXN, huh? A lot of people trading this. People have been waiting for this news, I'm assuming. What's news? Nice. Totes, lays. Usually a good indication when this plays up. Yesterday the stock was up. Didn't really do much, but above 294 maybe looks good. It's really difficult right now. It's still in a bearish trend. It needs to break the high to make a high. GRAL. Interesting. Grail. This is like a dying company. I don't know. Probably wrong. Grail is in a downtrend right now. I mean, look, I'll try and make this as bullish as I can for you because that's what I like to do. I would say you have a demand zone here, which is a bullish area because this is where buyers step in. So there's a possible reversal happening here. And in confluence with a falling wedge. So we shall see. Try and make this as bullish as I can. Grail or Grail. Bullish setup. And broke. Oh, it broke. Okay, Grail, SLXN, another big 5 minute. How's it looking? Here we go. It needs to close above here. It should, then it'll go. Looking good. Looking good. MKTW. People asked me about this last week or the beginning of the week. MKTW, nothing on this. We traded this last week. MKTW, I mean, there's just very low volume on it. Overall trend is bullish. Yeah, it just needs volume, to be honest. Respect this technical. Needs volume. So in order for this to go up, it needs the volume for it to push. Needs to push. RETO, what's happening with Reto? Reto is down 27%. I would only consider entries above $1. Anything below, I can't help you. Right, above $1 is good for Reto. You don't want to trade below because look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rejections. So why are you going to try and buy now if there's a high probability that's going to go, you know, it's going to go down? Just wait for the confirmation. It sucks we have to wait, but it is what it is. Acon. Man, this one I thought was going to run the other week. Just didn't do anything. Yeah, look at this. Acon, let's see. Yeah. Acon, let's see how bullish I can make this, shall we? Look at this. Falling wedge, demand zone here. Let's see if I can get a couple more confluences. So we have falling wedge, we have a demand zone. Demand zone. What level is this at? Put $5 psych. $5 psychological level as well. So you have a couple of confluences here. See if we can pull back to $5. Acon needs to hold $5. Thanks for all the insight. I'm new to your channel. What up, John? Please, can you subscribe to the channel and like up the stream? I appreciate it. Hey Tiger, you sound in a good mood. Of course, every day is a good mood. Every day is good. Every day is good. Every day is great. Every day is great. Frustrating when the market's slow like this, but you know, I'm just happy. I'm very proud of myself last week and this week because I'm literally just trying to be as disciplined as I can and be the best, I guess, like leader or whatever in the Discord, because whether people are red in the Discord or they're green and making money, I'm still sticking to the same thing over and over again. And Discord members will soon start to understand, and you guys as well. But obviously, Discord members can see more how I trade and what I'm trading. And for me, it's more the consistency, right? I've had 2 trades I've given, 2 alerts I've given in the Discord this week, and both of them have hit first target and been green. All right. Obviously, people struggle in the Discord and people do very well in the Discord, and people just in general, right? My followers and just traders now in this week and last week have been struggling. I know it because it's normal. That's how it is when there's nothing crazy running. People will make silly mistakes where they just try to take all these random trades for whatever reason. And that's why I preach. Journal your trades. Understand why you took the trade. So last week, if you journaled all your trades, if you literally journaled all your trades, right? Let's say you took 5 trades every day. Out of the 5 trades, say on Monday last week, how many of them were A+ setups? How many were there just BS trades that you didn't need to take, right? Probably 4 out of 5 of them were terrible trades. 1 was good. And then you look back and say, okay, that 1 that was good, I was green on it. All the other 4 that I shouldn't have taken were red, right? Just simple, easy data to understand and look at your trading. And for me, that's the best way to look, look at your trading. That's the way it is. That is the way it is. But it's difficult. People will slowly start to learn. Yeah, I needed to close above 163. Need to close above 163. Winning attitude. What up, Wes? Wes, you do well yesterday. Winning attitude. That's right. You know, and a lot of people, right? Especially when you in the Discord as well, just referring back to it, it's like if you give a red trade, say Allah, it's like, oh, it's like the end of the world. People are upset. They're crying. Da, da, da. It's like, you got to realize, you know, that it's normal to lose trades. It's okay to win trades. You know, it's a part of the market. But at the end of the day, it's if you manage your risk, you know, everything's fine. Everything is perfectly fine. And the most important thing is, if you don't like the market, just don't trade. Really, just don't trade. Sit, relax, chill, do your own thing, you know. As difficult as it is, I know, trust me, it's difficult. That's why I do and I preach these live trading sessions, because they're pretty much seminars every single day that I do on here and in the live trading. Just takes time. It takes time. TRNR is looking good. SLXN is looking good. BTAI, no good right now. BTAI, downtrend. CVSA, not interested. Mullen, no. MLGO, maybe. BBAI, nah. BBAI's large time frame looks alright. Look. Needs 503 break. Lays, nothing yet. Buru's weak. CYCU, this is looking good. Look here. I think we're above VWAP. Yeah, we're above VWAP. This is looking good. We can make a bullish pennant here. Try and make everything as bullish as I can. This looks good on the larger time frame. So yeah, as long as you hold VWAP, looks good. So as long as this holds VWAP, should be good. The reason why, if a stock, the simple way to explain VWAP is if a stock's above VWAP like this, VWAP is this green line, the stock is in a bullish trend, there's a high probability to go up, right? Usually what will happen is it'll get to VWAP like this, it will use VWAP as an area of support and reverse to the upside. If a stock is below VWAP, let's say it's trading like this, if it hits VWAP, it'll usually reject it and come down, right? So if a stock's below VWAP, it's bearish, and stocks above VWAP, it is bullish. That's as easy as I can explain to you. ARBB, I think this one's going to run today, in my opinion. I like the stock. I think it's worth entries, in my opinion, now if you want to take some. Make sure to have a 5% stop loss and then say 5% target. That's what you can do. Pre-market, you cannot have a stop loss, so it is a mental stop loss. So the way I would do it is this. It's very simple. You enter now. Here's your 5% target, right? Your 5% target is here, right? And let's have a 5% stop loss. Way to trade. 8, 6. So this is your trade setup. So you've entered the trade, right? For your reasoning, whatever bullish pennant. Yes, it's below VWAP, high risk, but You have your 5% target, 5% stop loss, and that's simply how you trade. Every single time, do the same thing. Have a reasoning, have a stop loss, have a target, get in the trade, execute. That's it, every day, the same thing, over and over again. Oh, let me check this Forex Factory. There's news coming out. What's today? Wednesday, AMP. Wait, the news came out. Yeah, here, this. Where is this? Yeah, we have some news coming. ISM services. Let me have a look at larger caps quickly, and then yeah, can you give us levels on SLXN? No. Yeah, give me one sec. Not SLXN, sorry. Let me look at the SPY. SPY is down. Really needs to just hold this and respect this level because it's not looking pretty. Let me look at Nvidia and then Tesla. Nvidia is trying to reverse. Tesla. I would take puts below here, honestly. Option traders, get under here. Puts below here. Can you give SLXN? Yeah, so here's the SLXN. What I do is go to the 4-hour, which I'm on now. Look at where the key levels have been. Where's the biggest moves down to the downside, right? So we have here, we can use 345. And then we can use this level, around this level, get more touches. So instead of having it here, we have only 1, 2 touches. This wick and this wick. Get this, because then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So just use 235 as your next level. That's kind of how I would chart something like this, right? So above 163, you could add $2 into it as well, because that's a psychological level. Sorry, like this. So this is what I would have on SLXN. So now I know this is your resistance. Breaks and close above here, you have room to $2, 235, and then clean range all the way to 345. 235 break is big. But yeah, it looks very, very good. I hope everyone makes lots of money on this trade setup. All right. All right. Okay, guys. I hope you all have a fantastic day. I'm going to head into the Discord. Here is the link. Okay. Here is the link. We do not have a Telegram. We don't have a WhatsApp. None of that stuff. Okay. Please do not fall for any of these scammers. You can see my name is Tagline Trades. I don't have a 1, 2. I don't have a random. I don't have 0 followers and those things. You guys can see that. All right. There's the link. WAP link. Choose 1 or 3 month. And then from there, you claim the Discord access. The WAP gives you access to all the Discord. And then also you have all the seminars there as well. New one is coming out. Should be by the end of the week. All right. Catch you guys later. Hope you have a fantastic day. Peace.